Hello guys, welcome to Foodie Hangout. We all love enjoying into a bowl of rich creamy pasta, right? That smooth velvety sauce, that cheesy goodness, it just it's differently. And sometimes you don't want to go to a cafe, you want that same rich tasty pasta made fresh in your own kitchen. So today I am bringing you a super simple and incredibly delicious recipe that everyone at home is going to enjoy. We are making a rich, creamy, and cheesy white sauce pasta that tastes just like your favorite cafe version, maybe even better. Trust me, once you try this, it's going to be on repeat in your kitchen. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the recipe. The first step is to cook the pasta shells. Boil enough water in a pot. So, once the water is bubbling away nicely, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of oil. Now add the pasta and mix it a bit. For this recipe, I have taken 1 cup of penny pasta shells. This is the small size pasta shells. You can use any variety of pasta to make this recipe. And one very important thing to keep in mind is that you need to add the salt at this stage. Only then will the pasta properly absorb the flavor. If you add it later, the salt won't blend well into the pasta and it may turn out a little bland. So make sure you don't forget this step. Let it boil for about 8 to 9 minutes on medium heat or until it's cooked about 90%. It's been almost 8 minutes now. I will take out one piece of pasta to show you how it looks. Let me cut it open so you can see it's cooked perfectly. You don't want it to be too soft or soggy. As you can see, this is the perfect stage to remove the pasta and set it aside. Next, take a white pan and add 3 cubes of butter along with the 2 teaspoon of oil. I am using unsalted butter here. Once the butter melts, add about 5 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. Cook until the raw smells disappears. Now add 1 large onion cut into petals, about 1 cup of diced green capsicum, about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped carrots. Saute all the vegetables, so this will take a few minutes. Now you can use other vegetables of your choice like mushrooms or broccoli. Next, I am gonna season the vegetables, starting with half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. If you don't have Italian seasoning, you can use oregano, and 1 teaspoon of chilli flakes. Give that a nice quick mix. Now you can adjust the seasoning according to your taste. So once you have mixed everything, now it's time to add the cooked pasta. Mix the pasta along with the vegetables. Since we have cooked the pasta, adding a little bit of salt, so have not added too much of salt here. Now that we have mixed the pasta along with the vegetables, turn off the stove at this point and keep this aside. So now I am going to make the creamy white sauce. Take a nice white pan, add about 4 large cubes of unsalted butter. Maintain the flame on low. Once the butter is completely melted, next I am adding 3 tablespoons of Maida. This is all purpose of flour. I am going to use the whisk because it's much more easier to make the sauce with the whisk. So this way you will not have any lumps. So you can see the flour is completely mixed along with the butter. Now I am going to gradually incorporate the milk. So this is boiled and cooled milk. taken just about 500 liter here. I have incorporated the milk in intervals to get a nice creamy white sauce. So now you can see there are no lumps and the mixture is very nice. The flour is completely dissolved. So now you can increase the flame to a medium. I'm going to gradually thicken the sauce. Next I'm going to season the sauce. First I am adding about half teaspoon of salt and about half teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning and 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes. Give that a nice quick mix. Next I am going to add the cheese. To make the sauce all the more richer and creamier, here I am adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of cheese, but you can adjust the quantity according to your preference. I am using Amul cheese and you can use any cheese of your choice. So the cheese will gradually melt into the sauce. Just take care not to make the sauce too thick because you are going to be adding the pasta now and the pasta will absorb all that beautiful sauce. Now that the creamy white sauce is ready, I am going to gradually transfer the cooked pasta along with the vegetables into the sauce. Mix everything well along with the sauce. Make sure it's all completely coated. Wow, just look at that. It's so creamy and so rich. Now maintain the flame on low and let this cook in the sauce for about 5 minutes. So there you have it, a rich, creamy, cheesy cafe style white sauce pasta that looks absolutely irresistible. Make sure to serve it nice and hot right after preparing it so you can enjoy the sauce at its smooth and velvety best. As you can see, it's very simple and straightforward recipe. Just follow each step carefully to get the perfect result. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. And also follow us on Instagram and Facebook.